Zilliqa is on the move again. We've had quite a significant drop over the course of the last week and a half, but we have done a good recovery already. So in this video, what we are going to do is some price analysis, have a look at some potential areas that we could invest, and then some price targets going forward, and maybe even a little bit of a price prediction in there. So first up, smash that like button, make sure that you are subscribed, and let's crack on. Hello and welcome to Operation Crypto, and welcome to a new video. So today we're going to take a look at firstly the general market sentiment, see how the overall market is doing, and then we'll have a look at Zilliqa in both the USDT and the BTC pairing. So currently the market dominance is set at 46%. This is a key area, 46.55%. I've been monitoring this for a while. We did drop right through it. We had a bounce back here and I thought, right, is this going to push back up and retest the 52% level up here? But so far it looks like it's just dumped straight into it, and what we've actually done is closed some daily candles below this level. So to me, things are looking very bearish for the general Bitcoin dominance, so that should keep dropping hopefully. Like I say, we've not been down to these levels since 2018, so things are looking good for altcoins and the ultimate alt season that we're all craving for, because I still don't think it's quite there yet. What is currently driving this down though, the dominance, is the rise of Ethereum BTC, which I have mentioned before is still undervalued. If you look at a weekly time frame, have a zoom right out, ignore all those support levels down at the bottom because I think they're out of the question now. But yeah, look at this, we've still got 152% to make up on the all-time highs in Satoshi pairs of Ethereum BTC, so all is looking okay. I think if we need to push up to this grey area first before things really start to push on, but we're waiting for this major Ethereum parabolic run, which will then roll into phase 3 of the altcoin season, when all the high caps, for example VeChain, Polkadot, XRP, Litecoin and Zilliqa, any projects that's pretty much above $1-2 billion will be next in line after BTC and really start to push. So let's have a look at Zilliqa and see what's going on here. Obviously this is a weekly time frame, looks very bullish. We've created a new all-time highs up at 25.5 cents. Dropping into a weekly time frame, we'll do pretty much most of the analysis here. And today we have had a massive bullish engulfing candle to the upside, so that's looking good, closing back in on those all-time highs up at 25.5 cents. Currently we've bumped up to 24.5, so 1 cent to go and we're back up to those all-time high levels. RSI is pushing back up towards the overbought area, but we want that to push above 70% and just stay up here and keep getting overbought and getting massively bought up. Just a quick look at the histogram. We've had that bullish cross here on the 29th of April, so you're talking 6 days now. We're back into a bullish phase after quite a significant drop, which wasn't expected. We have a general market pullback, and look at that, we dropped 53%, so that was a perfect buying opportunity if you did manage to pick some up down there, down at 11 cents. Who would imagine that it would have dropped back down to those levels? But nothing to worry about, we are back on the up now as ever. I was just saying previously on another video that although we are bullish and everything's in a good run, remember that profit taking does happen at stages. So we hit those highs here, we did a retracement, exactly the same here, we hit highs. Look at these, every time we hit some highs, it's doing quite a significant retracement up to that 618 level potentially. Same here, so this potentially could push up towards 30-40 cents before doing another retracement. But let's just drop down into a 4-hour time frame and do some price analysis here and have a look at some potential buy zones. I'm just going to put a bit of a bearish scenario on this first and just go over this entire move from that 50% drop down at 11 cents up to the current highs. If you're looking for buy zones, I think this area around 20 cents on that 382 level could be a good area to target if we do get a big push over, but I'm expecting this to go higher before it come down. So this level may be invalid, but you never know, we might get a nasty wick down and pick up some liquidity at this 382 level before starting to move on. And we also got this golden ratio down at 16.8 cent, which could be hit at some stage. So just monitor that. We have 20 cent on 16.8 if the market turns bearish. But in general, things are looking quite bullish at the minute. So looking at this entire move here, so we'll take this as a bottom weight, those highs there at 22.5 cent, retraced 18.9. So this is the latest move, which we'll analyse, which is looking very bullish. Look at that candle, that's an absolute thing of beauty. So if you're looking for buys currently on this time frame, I think you can target 22.7. Potentially even go up to that 236 level at 23.6. So there are your buy zones there. First major target though is breaking through all-time highs, and then what we can do, if we just go back to that daily time frame, and we'll put the Fibonacci on, and this will give us some levels above, which we could target. I just want to talk about price predictions as well. I mean, there's not too many price predictions out there where you think, right, is talking sense. It's hard to put a price target on something that is so big and so ready available to really pump. I think what this project has got is a massive ecosystem, and any price targets I think I'm going to give, which is going to be quite conservative, could be absolutely blowing the water, because I still think this is massively undervalued. I think just looking at targets first to take profit, 28 cent and 33 cent, and then zooming right out, can I look at these fib extensions at 46 cent and 73 cent. In my opinion, I think this is going to $1 within the next couple of months, and potentially a lot higher on that. I've seen calls for $5, $10, $15, $20, but on this channel I do like to be conservative, and I think $1 is a first major area. I think a lot of people will be looking to sell at $1, and it will take a lot to get over that area, because I remember people were buying this at less than 1 cent last year. So remember, profit taking will happen, as you can see there on the way up. But yeah, $1, and then priced local TPs at 28 cent and 33 cent. So that is the Tether pair covered. If we just take a quick look at a BTC pair, because I know people do like to stack Satoshis. Let's just get rid of this previous tier because it looks a bit of a mess. We'll just stick to a daily time frame here and analyse this latest move. So we actually wicked our way down to 244 Satoshis, and currently we are at 435. I think if you're looking for some buys, you can target this area here of monthly support at 381 Satoshis down to this 382 level at 362. I think those are areas which I would look at targeting to buy. The all-time high, let's just have a look on weekly. We've got this on this chart, we may not have. I think actually these are, oh no, there we go. There we go. Let's have a zoom right out and see what's going on. The all-time highs, I think, are around 2,500 sats. Yeah, so 2,503 Satoshi, so we've still got a lot of ground to make up. First major target is pushing up to that 500 Satoshi mark, flip that to support, and then I think things will really look good. So first major taking profit area is 500 sats, and then once we do get to area, what I'll do is jump in another video and do some further price analysis. So that's going to do it for today's video, just some general coverage of the Bitcoin market dominance, and then some price analysis into both USDT and BTC pairings of Zilliqa. If you're not already, then please subscribe to my channel, smash that like button, and I'll catch you next time.